moments. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to create ORCID ID. This ORCID ID actually will need to you if you want to submit manuscript to journal. Some journal might request you to have ORCID ID. So first, what you need to do is just open your browser. You can use Google or something else like a Brave or maybe Mozilla Firefox. For me, I use Google. So you just open your browser engine and then type ORCID ID. So just press enter. Then I click here ORCID ID, and then because we want to register our ORCID ID, so we need to click on the upside here, register, because actually we just click here, register now. Here you need to fill in some information. For me, I will type first my name here, given names, so don't forget. And this I suggest you to fill with your real name because this will be your identity for submit your manuscript. And you need to fill your primary email, the email that often you use. For me, I will create this ORCID ID for another email. So, and also I suggest you to create email on Gmail. So for me, I will type before 270 gmail.com, and then I will type again before at gmail.com. Yeah, actually this ORCID ID will suggest you to put your professional email like account, like maybe your affiliation email, which is this is not Gmail. Somehow like my previous email will be like this one, and this is my affiliation email. But if you don't have, you still can create ORCID ID. Therefore, I will create here for my another email, gmail.com. So there is notification like this. It's okay, you still can use it. And this is just additional email. You can fill in your another email or you just leave it. So everything is okay now. This is also actually just optional, so everything is okay now. Just click next step, and yeah, you need to put your password. So remember, your password needs to have 8 or more characters, so and at least one letter or symbol, at least one letter like A, B, C, D, whatever you want to have from A to Z, one letter or symbol, full stop, comma, and at least one number, 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever you want. Just type on it, and then next step, because here there is another like several suggestion for your organization, and then you might not find any suggestion here. It doesn't matter, optional. And this also optional, so I will leave it. For you, you can fill whatever you want. For me, I will just leave it. Or actually, you can skip this step as well. Click skip this step without adding an affiliation. For me, I just put here because when everyone needs my ORCID ID, just type my name and they will find my ORCID ID. So I just click here. But if you think your ORCID ID is something like private, you just click here or this. Okay, so I click here and next step. If you want to like receive any information or feature or tips from ORCID, you just click on it. For me, I don't want, but these two you are requested, so a must for you. Okay, just click on it, and then I'm not a robot here, just verification, and then complete registration, and then we will wait. Okay, see, you already have your ORCID ID here. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye.